In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website faster. Improve your website's performance. Speed makes a huge difference for user experience and search rankings. So let's streamline your Wix site with a few focused cleanups. First, open your Wix website editor and load the page you want to optimize. Give it a second to fully render so you can see all sections and elements clearly. Start by simplifying the layout. Click a section on the canvas to select it. When you see it highlighted or outlined, press Delete to remove sections you don't need. Fewer sections mean fewer assets to load and a quicker first paint. Work your way down the page and repeat this for any banners, strips, or placeholder blocks that don't serve a purpose. If you're unsure, ask yourself whether that section helps users take action or understand your offer. If it doesn't, it's safe to remove. Continue selecting any highlighted elements that were only used for testing or are duplicates, and delete them to keep the page lean. Next, address add-ons that can slow things down. If you see an AdSense area or a monetized panel on the page and you're not actively using it, open it to review and then delete it. Third-party scripts add extra requests, so removing unused blocks and widgets gives you an immediate speed boost. Now, double-check your media. Click Images, Icons, and Files, and confirm they're the right formats and sizes. Use JPG for photos, SVG for simple logos and icons, and keep PDF files as small as possible before uploading. Large or uncompressed assets are a common cause of slow loads, so trimming these pays off quickly. When your edits are done, click Preview. This shows how the page behaves without the editor overhead. If you notice Wix ads in the preview, consider upgrading your plan to remove them. Eliminating extra ad elements reduces requests and keeps the page lighter. When you're finished assessing the preview, go back to the editor to make any final tweaks. Ready to go live? Click Publish to push your changes to your site. Then choose View Site to open the live version in a new tab. Test a few pages, scroll through sections, and note how quickly images and text appear. If something still feels heavy, return to the editor and repeat the cleanup. Remove another unused block or swap a large image for a lighter version. When everything looks and feels snappy, click Done and you're all set. That's it. By removing unused sections, deleting unnecessary add-ons,